Hello, welcome to lesson 6. We're almost finished with this course. Now it's time to create the final camera and some final effects. So first we're going to position ourselves into a nice angle so that we can see the text entirely. We can work maybe with this angle. Let's see how it looks. The important thing is that we can read everything. Okay, let's see how it looks on render preview. Yeah, it might look good. Maybe we can get closer. Okay, now this is perfect here. Now you can see that this line here, this is the canvas that we have. This is what, when we render our file, this square is what is going to output. So we can see the lights here, so that's fine. So in this position we're going to create a new camera, and this camera right now it's turned off. If we click here, we will turn on the camera and we can change the position. If we uncheck this button, we turn off the camera and we can move freely like this. And if we turn on this button, we go back to our camera view. So it's really important to set the camera so that we can fix anything here. But if we want to see how it looks, we just turn on the camera and go back to our main view. So for now, I want to change the position of these lights. I'm going to open the top view and I'm going to change this position so that it's almost on top of our text. Okay, let's set the camera and we can be looking at how it looks here. And this one, I want to rotate it so that it's pointing to the typography like this. Let's see how it looks. Render preview. Okay, this is fine because we can see this reflection here, the reflection of the light, so that's really nice. That's what I wanted. And now let's hit the render settings. First, on output, let's change this resolution to 300 and let's actually increase the screen maybe to this one, 1000, this one, and increase the resolution to 300. Let's close this. Okay. Hit again the render settings. And now on save, instead of TIFF, I want a JPG, just a normal image. And now the most important thing here on the render settings is that we're going to click on effect and add a global illumination effect. This will make the lights and the shadow a lot more realistic and they will look really great. So here on global illumination you can see that we have some settings here. On general, we're going to click on primary method, we're going to click on QMC. And on secondary method, we're going to click on irradiance cache. Just set everything as it is right now, and you can close this now. Now if you hit render preview, now it will take a lot more time. Right now my computer is really slow, so depending on your computer it will take less or more time. Mine is really slow right now, so it will take a lot of time to render this image. So I'm going to stop here, and I'm going to hit render, add to render queue, and I'm going to click yes, and I'm going to render this file. So I'm going to render the file, and on the next lesson we're going to take a look at that render file, and we're going to add one more effect to it. So see you in the next one.